We came to Ace today because we're talking about an urgent situation, kind of. If you're dealing with this at home, you know exactly what we're talking about. When you gotta go to Ace, you gotta go. We're talking about clogged toilets. And coincidentally, when we get to the toilet plunger aisle, we run into these two ladies who are dealing with a real-life situation. Kristen and Gabby, nice to meet you both.
Good to meet you.
You have an office.
Yes.
Where the toilet is clogged.
Yes.
So that's a priority.
Yes.
Okay. And you tried, what, 2 other plungers?
Yes, I did.
That you bought online?
That I bought online.
What happened?
So I'm not getting any suction, and I feel like maybe they're just a little on the, maybe they're too fancy.
Fancy plungers.
Fancy plungers.
Which is not an indicator of effectiveness.
Of effectiveness, no. So yeah, we came here to see what they had and see if we could get back to basics and maybe go like a little old school plunger and see if that gave us better results.
Why are you going to try this one?
So they told me that as long as I can get a good seal over the hole, that should help with the suction.
See, now it's making the noise that it's supposed to make.
And Kristen's actually doing a really good job. She made sure to cover the hole entirely. But the key to proper plunging is forcefulness. I'm talking extreme forcefulness. Get your body weight into it, lean over the plunger, and push down hard. Might take 5 minutes, might take 20 minutes. Definitely gonna be messy and definitely gonna splash all over the place. Something else you got to know is not all toilets are created equal. So some have a square or round hole at the bottom, but look at this, some are oval or irregular shaped. So if your toilet is irregular or it has an oval hole, make sure the plunger you get is oval shaped. Kristen eventually got it.
Hi, that's me. I'm Kristen.
She even made a TikTok about it. And if all else fails and you can't get any plunger to work, then maybe it's time to snake it. This is a toilet auger. And the way this works is you stick the end of the auger down into the toilet and then you crank it. And that should clear your clog as long as the clog is somewhere in the toilet. If not, then maybe you want to call a plumber, especially if your situation is urgent. And remember, if you got a project you'd like us to tackle at your house, send me an email at gettingresultsathome@wkmg.com, and maybe next week we'll show up at your house, maybe with one of these. At Ace and Oviedo, Eric Von Agin, Getting Results, News 6.